Have you ever sprinted for a bus only to watch it drive off without you? And then having that sinking feeling in your gut, knowing it's a 30-minute wait for the next one? That's exactly what you're doing to your wealth when you try to time the market. It's that irresistible urge to outsmart the market that's probably costing you more than you realize. Let's start with a reality check. You think you can predict the market? Well, you can't. Neither can I, and not even the talking heads on TV can. The market is about as predictable as the weather. And here's a sobering thought. If you had invested $10,000 in the S&P 500 index in the last 30 years and just left it alone, you'd be sitting pretty with about $180,000. But if you missed just the 10 best days in the market, your gains would be slashed by more than half. That's right, 10 measly days over 3 decades would have cost you almost $100,000. But what if I just wait for the perfect moment to invest? I hear you ask. Well, the truth is that you've just volunteered to play the world's most expensive game of musical chairs. While you're sitting on the sidelines, clutching your cash, like it's the last roll of toilet paper in a pandemic, inflation is eating away at your money. But the market's at an all-time high, you protest? Well, here's a mind-blowing fact for you. Up to the end of August 2024, the S&P 500 has hit all-time highs a staggering 38 times this year. So waiting for dips before you decide to get invested is a losing game. So what's the solution? It's simpler than you think. Stay invested. Consistently. Boring? Maybe. Effective? Absolutely. It's like what they say about planting a tree. The best time was 20 years ago. The second best time is right now. Don't believe me? Let's look at the numbers again. If you invested that same $10,000 in the S&P 500 but missed the 30 best days, you'd lose 83% of your potential gains. That could be the difference between retiring debt-free or with outstanding balances hanging around your neck. Here's the bottom line. The market will go up and it will go down. But over the long term, it has gone up. Your job isn't to predict these movements. It's to ride them out. So, stop trying to catch those falling knives of perfect timing. Instead, build a solid, diversified portfolio and let compound interest work its magic. It's not as exciting as trying to beat the market, but it's a whole lot more effective. And if there's one group of people who know about using money effectively, it's the rich. So check out this video next on how you can build wealth by learning how to manage your money like the 1%.